First, you can imagine the hand like boxes, like one box, then another box, then another box, then another box, then another box, like how I imagine it. Or you can imagine it like a box, then a cylinder, then a cylinder, then a cylinder. I will show you. You can, this one. So that's how I imagine it, like boxes. And if you are making like this thumb, you can imagine it like this, and then this. And it's gets. So you can imagine it as boxes. It gets easy. If you have practiced it with like drawing 2-3 hands, you will get the idea how you can imagine it as boxes or like any shape. I believe in you creating your own way to like see objects. It gets easy when you learn to visualize it on your own, like pure observation. It helped me. I taught myself how to do animation, so that's how I did it. You can imagine it like boxes. It's really easy, like even for like normal hands it gets easy if you imagine it like boxes, because I have seen so many artists saying that hand is like a difficult, real difficult for them to draw. So if you try to imagine it like any shape, or like even for like as a stick figures, like if I am like my hand, and if I am like I want to draw my hand doing this, or no, I want my hand like this. Okay, so look, I have to see. Yeah, first imagine it like boxes. I do the thumb. You can, or you can do it as, first you can draw a stick figure or like lines. Maybe my method is complex, but that's how I draw the fingers. So that's the really rough, and the thumb looks too slim. So it can be better, but I do it really fast. That's an excuse, or maybe it's not. But yeah, yeah, you can visualize it as boxes, and it gets easy by practice. If you practice more, I think it looks pretty good.